Hey, it's Sarah here. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. In today's video, I want to give a review for Clickmagick and also a walkthrough and demonstration of how exactly Clickmagick works. Before I really get into the video, if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, feel free to hit that subscribe button and tick the bell notification to be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. I pretty much talk about affiliate marketing, growing a business online, different ways of making money online. So if that is a thing that kind of interests you and you want to learn more about that, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can be notified of all the new videos when I post them here. But anyways, with all that out of the way, let's talk about Clickmagick. So what exactly is Clickmagick? Well, Clickmagick is actually a tracking software that allows you to track your traffic and your conversions when you are promoting any sort of products online. So if you are getting into affiliate marketing, maybe you're doing network marketing, and you're doing some sort of paid ads like solo ads or influencer traffic or like Facebook or YouTube, any of those traffic sources, and you're sending people to an opt-in page. Ideally, you would want to know how your traffic is converting. You want to know the percentage of people that are actually going to your landing page and then converting, and then from there you want to know the percentages of your leads then end up becoming actual customers. So a site like Clickmagick actually helps you see exactly what is going on behind the scenes. Exactly, it helps you figure out what exactly is working. What traffic sources are working, what landing pages are working. Maybe some things that you may need to change or stop promoting or whatever the case may be. But that is pretty much what Clickmagick is all about. And if you are looking to get into affiliate marketing at all, you're looking to promote any products online, I'd say especially if you're doing any sort of paid traffic, having a software like this is very, very important, because without knowing your conversions, then it's going to be very difficult for you to actually scale your scale up on your ads and actually know like what exactly is working. So Clickmagick is actually the site that I use to track a lot of the conversions. But anyways, I'm going to be going and giving a little demonstration of how Clickmagick works, and then at the end, if you want to check out Clickmagick for yourself, I will have a link in the description where you can get access to a free trial. I'm currently on the home page and shows here they give a free 14-day trial when you sign up for Clickmagick. So you get 14 days of free, and then they have different membership plans available. I want to go over those real quick just to kind of give you a visual representation. So we have you could either go with either monthly billing or you can go with a yearly plan. So monthly billing, the lowest package is $27 per month, and this allows you to track up to 10,000 clicks per month. It has all the core features, 4-hour support. You've got funnel tracking. You've got 2 custom tracking domains, and then you could use 6-month data retention, and then No Experts Academy. And then they have standard plan, $67 a month, pretty much all the same as this, except you can track up to 100,000 clicks a month. They got a few more features here. You can pretty much go through this on your own. And then there is the $97 per month Pro plan, which allows you to click 1 million clicks per month. So this, I'd say, if you are really scaling it up and you're really getting lots of traffic and you're getting lots of sales, then the Pro plan would be for you. But otherwise, you could probably start with the starter plan, which allows you to track up to 10,000 clicks per month. So I think that's a very great place to start. That is currently what I'm on. But otherwise, you could choose to go with the yearly plan. You could save about 25% there. So yearly plan, it'd be about $247 per year, and that would be, if you do the math, is less than what you're paying here each month. So it'd be less than $27 per month if you decide to go with the yearly plan. But with all that out of the way, let's get into Clickmagick and I'll explain how that works. I'm going to log in real quick, and once I do that, so currently right now I'm on the little dashboard for Clickmagick. If I go into links, this will show me the tracking links that I have set up for Clickmagick, and it'll show the amount of clicks that are going to each link, and then also the actions would represent the conversion. So actions would mean people who have landed on your page that decided to opt in. So when someone goes to your your capture page, they can enter their name and email, and then when they submit that, then they would be known as a lead. So they get on your list, and then you could follow up with them over and over again. Now, the way you determine and actually figure out what exactly is working, you would want to know exactly what your percentage what the percentages of people who they visit your landing page and decide to then convert. For instance, if you are using some sort of traffic source, like in my case, I bought traffic from a solo ad vendor. So this is who I bought from, Shaylee here. That's her name, and I ordered 200 clicks from her, and she sent 200 unique visitors, and then from that I got a 25% opt-in rate. So this shows that when I sent traffic to this link right here, which if I open that up, this would be my capture page link. So this is the one of the landing pages that I was split testing with. I was doing this one, and then there's one other landing page that she was also sending traffic to. So about 100 clicks was going to this landing page, and the other 100 clicks was going to my other landing page, and I was pretty much seeing which one would convert the best. In this case, it looks like this one actually ended up converting better. So people would go to this form, and then when someone opts in, they would be counted as a lead. So for instance, if I go back here, right now it says 51 people have opted in from this traffic. If I go here and I say I put in my my name and email, which I'll actually test out here, I'll just put in my main email, and I'll click Get This Now. So once I submit that, that is now considered a lead. So I just opted into my own page, and here's my video here that I uploaded here. If I go back to Clickmagick and I refresh this page, it will show that 52 people have opted in to that specific link. So if I scroll down, looks like it's being kind of slow. Scroll down, please. Scroll down. It should show up in a minute or something like that, if it wants to show up. Either that, or maybe it won't show up because maybe I tested out that link before, or that specific email. So in this case, it doesn't show that another person's opted in, but what it would do is it would show exactly who opted into my email list. So in this case, it doesn't show that I opted in, but that is pretty much how Clickmagick works. For instance, I could actually choose to set up a tracking link here. So this one I'm promoting, let's see here, this is my opt-in page for a product that I'm currently promoting. As of right now, it shows that 0 people, if you see this. This is total clicks here, this is unique clicks, and then on the right, this is filtered clicks. If I click on this link and I visit it, so I'll actually go to that real quick, and I go to my link, this will take me to my landing page that I set up, so that's this one right here. And then from here, it will show that, once I refresh the page, it will show that 1 visitor has been on that specific page. Yeah, there it is. Wait. Things like scrolling really fast for some reason. Okay, so as of right now, it just shows 1 person happened to click on that page, which was myself because I was just testing it out. But as you can see, that is currently me right here. And then if I choose to opt in, this will then show on the Clickmagick stats. It will show that I then chose to request more information here. I'm actually going to use one of my other emails just to kind of. I think this is another one that I had. So I'll just use this dummy email here. I don't remember if that's a real one that I have, but if I opt into my own form, this will then show that 1 person, myself, that went to my own landing page. It will then show that they converted into a lead. If I refresh the page one more time, let's see here. Yep, it then shows that I got an opt-in into my traffic here. So if I was sending traffic to this exact link, I would want to, if I wanted to promote, this exact landing page, and I wanted to, send traffic, either from a solo ad, and I wanted to promote a particular product, what I would want to do is instead of just sending it straight to my ClickFunnels landing page link, I would want to put this link into Clickmagick, create a tracking link, and then once I send people to here, this tracking link then helps track, exactly, who's going to your landing page from, what source. It then shows, the percentages of the traffic opting in. And then what you could also do is you can go to right here where it says, let me see, where is it? Should be somewhere over here. I think if I click on this actually, or no, I think I have to click on the unique clicks number here. What you could actually do is you could actually test the traffic quality, which should be right in here. Traffic quality, so that's right here. You click on this, and this will then show the quality of your traffic that's going into your page. So it shows that the score I got here is 80, which generally the higher it is, the better. You want to get the traffic as high as possible. But like for instance, if I check this traffic here, that went to this landing page from this traffic source, I can click right here, click on traffic quality, and then this will then give me a little score of the estimated traffic quality. So in this case, it was kind of a bit lower. Not necessarily the best. You ideally want to have it as high as possible. But I'll actually show you exactly how you can, of course, create your own tracking link. So to do that, what you'll want to do is you want to click this green Create New Link button. And, you can pretty much name this whatever it is that you want to name. You could say, I'll just name it Test, just to kind of give it a test. And what you could also do is you could add in your own custom domain tracking link. So instead of just using the Clickmagick link, what you could do is you could actually put in your own domain here. You could buy your own domain for like $10. You could put it in here, and then this makes it look more unique. Where if you have, I'd say this is primarily what you'd want to have if you are doing like videos on YouTube and you're recommending products in your description. You don't want to just use the default Clickmagick link, because that may not necessarily look the best. But also because since almost everyone is using this exact link, it's very easy for that to get blacklisted. And if one person does something wrong, it kind of ruins it for everyone. So that's why I would recommend having your own tracking link. You can have that right in there. You can give this a name. I'll just name it Test. And then from right here, you could choose to put in your link that you would want to send them to. So if I want to send them to this exact opt-in page here, I could select this, copy this text up here. I could put that right into the URL link, and then once I click Create Link, then this will then create my own tracking link where I could pretty much use that. And then anytime I send traffic to that, then it'll then show me the percentages of people that go to your visit your landing page from that specific link. So this way you could determine where your traffic's coming from, and then you could also see exactly the percentages of people that, of course, opt in. So this is definitely something that you would want to have when you are doing any sort of paid advertising or promoting any products online in general. Is you want to be able to test, be able to track exactly where your traffic's coming from. You want to see exactly what's converting the best, and especially once you start getting sales, you want to know exactly where that sale came from. You want to know what traffic vendor got you that sale, so that this way you could scale up on that traffic. You could focus more on that. If a particular landing page converted better, then you would ideally want to focus more on that landing page rather than the landing page that didn't get you results at all. But that's pretty much what Clickmagick is all about. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any questions at all, if you ever have any questions about Clickmagick, you could either leave a comment down below in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer them as best as I can. Otherwise, Clickmagick also has a support system. So you can just right down at the bottom right of the page, you just click on 4-hour support. And the nice thing about this, Clickmagick actually has a very great support system. They have a little video where Steve pretty much explains how their help desk works, and you could pretty much contact them anytime. And usually they're very fast when it comes to getting you a really good answer. They're very helpful. They will help you to the best that they absolutely can. But anyways, that's pretty much all there is to it. That's pretty much the entire Clickmagick system there. Actually, one other thing I do want to show is that they also have some training. So right here at the top, if this thing wants to scroll up at the top, that'd be great. They have the Academy here that you could, of course, check out. So you can just click this. Otherwise, they also have the help desk. So you can click on Academy, and then they do have some training videos up here that will pretty much go over anything that you want to know about Clickmagick. It may sound complicated in the beginning. When you first try it out, it may look kind of overwhelming, but once you fully get the hang of it, it's actually very, very, very simple to to use. But that's pretty much my review of Clickmagick. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you have any questions at all, or just let me know if you found this helpful. And if you'd like to learn how you could build an online business, you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, and you really want something that will support you long term, the first link in the description will get you access to my free training I put together. And that is a free 4-day training that I put together. It goes over the 4 main components you must have in place to really build a long-term business online. So definitely be sure to check that out there. And anyways, take care.